Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to make banana cake. Like I said in the last video that I was going to make banana cake because my daughter requested for it. So I have my ingredients here now and I'll carry you along as I do it. If today is your first time of coming to this channel, you are very welcome, and please may I ask you to click on the subscribe button, press the like button and the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video you'll be notified. And to my always coming back viewers, I say thank you for coming back, and please stay tuned, stay connected to this channel because we promise to give you very interesting videos every week. Thank you once again, and let's go back to our cooking, our baking I mean. So now banana cake, here we bake. I have, for this recipe, we use very ripe or overripe banana. So I have 2 bananas here. I have 100 grams of brown sugar. This is actually demerara sugar. It is made out of sugar cane, so it's very healthy. It's better than the processed sugar. So I have 100 grams of demerara sugar. I have 150 grams of butter. I have 150 grams of walnuts, and I have 450 grams of self-raising flour. So, and I have 3 eggs here. That is my hand mixer, and I have my pan, my baking pan greased. So, and I've preheated my oven and start going through the process now. So the first thing to do is to mash the bananas. So I have my banana inside this bowl, so I'm going to mash it, press it until it becomes so soft. Keep pressing it. Yep. So the next one, put in the sugar, the butter, match it, press it together. It's very simple to make actually, it's not that. And you can melt your butter to make it faster. Can you plug the mixer for me, Sandra? Now it's time for me to use mixer. Thank you. So you're going to break this walnut into small sizes. Is that all? Okay. Will you break the walnuts for me? So break the walnut. My daughter is helping me to break the walnuts. Step is to pour the walnuts in, and this is the walnut, it has been cracked or broken into smaller portion. So I'm going to put this one very well, then pour the walnut in it. The cake is supposed to have dense texture, so we don't need to make it so soft. That can come out dense. Now, that is the consistency that I want. If it is Victoria sponge cake, I can make it lighter or softer, but because I want a dense texture, this is okay for me. So my next, can I have wooden spoon please? So I'm going to pour my walnut in it and just flip it over with my wooden spoon. Madam. So just fold it in, fold it in. That is it. So guys, my cake is in the oven. It's going to be baked for 35 to 40 minutes. Then we'll bring it out and we cut, we share, we enjoy. So guys, our banana cake is ready. It just came out from the oven now. So this is our banana cake. I'm going to cut it now and let you see the inside. It was baked for 35 minutes precisely. Yep. So to test if your cake is done or if it is baked, you set a skewer into the middle and you bring it out. So if it is clean, it shows it's baked. So I'm going to let it, bring it out of the tin. Now, also lovely and light. Look at that. So lovely and fluffy. See how fluffy it is? Yum. It's not that sugary because I reduced the sugar. I like reducing my sugar because so that I wouldn't be feeling guilty when I'm eating it. It's not good to have too much sugar. So it's just slightly tasty because the banana itself has natural sugar. So the taste, the sweetness of the banana is very okay with it, with the little 100 grams of demerara sugar that I added. So very well. It's lovely. So that is it for today. That is it for today. Banana and walnut cake. So thanks for watching and please like, subscribe and share.